I bet you didn't think you would see us so soon with something else new, but we have another little treat in store actually. And
it's not clothing.
It's not clothing this time.
No.
But it's something that will go very well with your clothing.
And you can make at the same time as your clothing.
And it will also go very well if maybe you've been either making or eyeing up Sophia and a bit of the bow action that's going on there.
Because it's the bow bag!
Ta-da!
There she is. This is a cute little extra thing that came into our minds when we were preparing Sophia with the bow back version especially. We just thought it's such a pretty dressy pattern. Wouldn't you love to have a pattern that you can make to match the dress using the little scraps that you've got left over from the dress? This is a very minimal waste pattern, I would say. And you'll have the fabric because it will be left over from the Sophia dress or any other dress that you want to make a matching bag for. For example, Rose's beautiful Una dress hack. She now has a matching bow bag with it. Beautiful. But all you need is a few little scraps of fabric. You need some interfacing.
Yeah.
And you need a zip. You can have an invisible zip like Rosie or a regular zip like mine. Easy. Very easy sewing, I would say. There's just a nice little construction of the bow, but it's not difficult.
It's not difficult at all. It's a confident beginner pattern.
Yeah.
Just because there's little bits like putting in the zip and using the zip tabs.
The zip tabs, which gives you that a nice and neater finish at the top. Right?
That's it, yes, yeah, but that's the only fiddly bit, and that's not even that fiddly.
No.
But it's a super quick project. So it takes, if you've got a full width of fabric, it only takes about 20 centimetres. It's nothing.
Nothing.
But you can probably get it just from scraps in and around whatever you've been cutting out. And we think with a little bit of judgment about what interfacing you're going to use, you can make it actually about with almost anything.
This one is viscose to match my Sophia dress, which has the button back, but still I love the bow bag with it. So yeah, this is just, I interfaced on this one actually because I played around with a few different ways of doing it. I only interfaced the lining, which is some canvas I had lying around. And so I've got a stiffer inside and a floatier outside. You definitely don't want to interface the bow because then you lose the drapiness of it. On Rosie's, you interface both?
I interface both, but only with regular dressmaking interfacing, so nothing sort of bag weight. And it's just made it just a little bit sturdier.
And yours is cotton?
Mine's cotton.
Poplin. This is viscose. We've got a lovely one in chambray. This is like a viscose and linen mix that we've made for the Sophia dress that Emily wore in the Sophia photo shoot. And that you can tell that's a little bit sturdier.
I might give a close-up for you can see the amazing pattern placement you can have a mess around with. It's very cute.
So cute. And basically it's a clutch bag. So think you're going to a wedding, you're going to something a little bit more special, and you just have a little clutch bag by your side. What we love is when you hold it like that, you basically end up with a cute extra accessory. You've got a bow on your wrist. I love that. You could also have a play maybe and add some little tabs and add a chain.
Yes, I think so.
Steal it from another bag.
Yes, yeah. If you've got a bag with detachable chains.
That's what I'm thinking,
or make a bunch and just have one chain that you move around.
Perfect. That's clever actually. Just one chain for all the bags. But yeah, we just wanted to give you an extra little fun project to experiment with and to match all your beautiful dresses. I think this will go with all your Eves, it will go with your Unas, it will go with your Pippas, it will go with your Sophias, and the list goes on and on and on. And I think I'm personally very into matchy-matchy stuff. I like that.
I think that's one of the joys of sewing your own clothes, isn't it? That you can't get that in the shops.
No, you definitely can't. So yes, I think this will be a nice quick little project to make the most of your remnants and to add a touch of very, very cute glamour to your outfit and really make an all-in-one outfit, because how good does that look? Anyway, we hope that you're going to make this. The hashtag will be SOI bow bag.
Yeah, perfect.
Very simple. And it's confident beginners, we've said. You can make it pretty much in any fabric. I wouldn't use jersey, that's the only thing. Like, not a knit, but any woven fabric.
Yeah.
You only need a zip, some remnants, and some interfacing.
Interfacing.
What else?
That's
I think
it.
that's it. It fits quite a few things.
Definitely. At least phone, purse, keys,
I've got
bit of makeup.
phone, purse, gum, and what do you call it?
Hand sanitizer.
Hand sanitizer and earphones in here right now. That's all you need really if you're going to a wedding. But yeah, let us know what you think of our new little bow bag, and tag us when you make it, and we hope that you make many of these with your Sophia and with many other outfits.
Bye.
Bye.